According to Manchester police, they suspect the synagogue attacker is 35-year-old Jihad al-Shami, who is a British citizen of Syrian descent. After a man drove a car into a crowd and stabbed people, 2 men are dead and 3 others are seriously injured in the hospital. Police have labeled this act as a terrorist incident. The attacker was shot dead by police within 7 minutes of the first emergency call, and 3 more arrests followed. Prime Minister Keir Starmer emphasizes that Britain must tackle the increase in anti-Semitic hate after 2 men died in a synagogue attack in Manchester. Speaking directly to the Jewish community in the UK, he vows to do everything possible to ensure the security you deserve. Footage from the incident shows police yelling, "Get back, he has a bomb," but later confirmed that the device was not functional. Police report that many people were attending the Heaton Park synagogue today, as it is Yom Kippur, the most sacred day in the Jewish calendar.